see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Ano kasi across. You want baba? In a plane.
It's bad.
17. Hi guys, good morning. Alis kami ni Holly, magpapa-change tayo ng nails. And ayan, ipakita ko lang sa iyo yung ating OOTD. Ayan. Loose lang siya na jumper or jacket. And ganyan, ito yung bag natin gagamitin. And leggings. And si Holly, come on Baba, show your outfit. What you wearing, Baba?
Jacket and this.
What's that? Princess? Ang tawag niya dyan, princess dress.
Princess.
You're not princess. You're my princess. Are you?
Not.
Who are you then?
Holly.
Holly. Holly. Princess Holly. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Where are you going?
Try to talk.
Huh?
Try to talk.
Let me fix your dress. Where are we going?
Shop.
Yes, we're gonna do grocery after we
Nails.
nails.
Look.
Yeah, what color you gonna put today?
Pink.
Pink.
Plenty of this.
Okay. All right. So ayan.
Can pick it.
You can't pick it. So alis na kami, guys.
What latest pick?
Oh, your baby.
Baby.
Your baby. Patayin natin yung ilaw dito sa banyo. Ready, get set?
Song.
Huh?
Song.
Okay, ready, get set?
Song.
1, 2.
Three.
Okay, gusto niya raw ng song. Wait.
I want song.
Yeah, okay. Gusto niya raw ng song.
Ma.
Yeah? Oh, it's finished. Dito na kayo.
Hungry guys.
Huh?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? You just had... Say, excuse me. Tingnan natin kung alam niya kung saan siya pupunta. Yes? Do you know where we're going? Huh? Here? Okay, go. Upo ka dun, Baba. Sit down there. Here? Go. Hi. Go. Upo.
Yeah, go.
Mamaya ka na. Ayan, kukuha na siya ng kanyang color. Ginaganon ko muna yung ating nails para matanggal yung kulay. Oh, you're too far from mommy. What color is that one? Pink. Okay. You hold that for now, okay? And do it later, okay? Rest, Baba, rest. Don't move for 10 minutes, okay?
No nails. No nails. My baby nails.
You what?
The chocolate.
Tapos na siya. Oh, dry na yung nails niya.
Chocolate.
You got chocolate. You got Yes. Pardon? Ang ganitong ginagawa. Oh. Pag gusto niyo magpa-French tea. Say see ya.
This one?
Oh, you're not
Say, my
friend. Say thank you, thank you. Yeah. Gumagawa ng nails. Ito yung French tip, ha? Andito siya kay, kay Peppa. Gusto niya dito kay Peppa. Ayun, simple lang yung ating, nails today. Nagpatip lang tayo. Ayan. Ayaw niya mag-focus. So, ayan. How about you, Baba? Show your nails. Show your nails. Look. Look up. Ayan. What color? Pink. Yeah, okay, let's go. We're gonna go Foodland first. Come on, punta kami muna sa Foodland. Come on, Papa, mag-grocery. Pero tingin lang ako dito kung mayroon silang eggplant, yung katulad sa atin. Huh? I'm gonna go here, Papa. Ayan, oh. Ayaw niya pang pumasok. Ayan. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Yeah, just like this. Walk. Come in. Alright. Okay, come on. Tingin tayo kung mayroong eggplants, pero gusto kong kumuha nito. Bili tayo ng sprouted. Yes, Papa. Yes. Wala silang eggplant na tulad sa atin. Meron silang ganito. Meron din yan sa Coles. Ayoko yan. Yes. No, we're gonna get that from Coles. Not here. Yeah, at Coles, Baba. We're gonna go at Coles, okay? Okay. Wala. So, eto lang yata ang mabibili natin. Come on. What? Okay, let's go. We're going Coles. Yes? Nagalit siya kasi gusto niya kumuha ng lollipop. You look so pretty with your bag, Baba. Okay. What? You don't need lollipop? Nagalit siya. No. I have to follow you. Okay, see ya. Punta tayo dito, guys. Magpapakot tayo kasi nasira yung phone ko. Wait.
Continue use it.
800 daw pag pina-replace mo yung pag pinaayos yung glass.
Maybe after 2 or 3 months, the price will decrease.
Alam siya ng tubig. Okay, hurry up. Ayaw niya magpatulong. 800 daw, guys. So, parang tingnan natin. Okay. Let's go. Nagpa-coat lang tayo. Okay. Alright. Hurry up.
Mommy, put your bag.
Okay. You hold that, okay? Thank you. Thank you.
My bag.
No. That's for Mama.
Mama,
Ay. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I'm waiting for you. Help? No? Okay. Up. Let's go, Coles. Say thank you. Come on. Give Mommy one, please. Thank you. Wash your hands.
you wash your hands.
Yeah, I am washing my hands. And now I have to wipe it here. All right.
Put in the bin.
Yes, put in the bin. Okay, we're good to go. Come on.
Mama, I need to wash your hands.
Come on. And wipe your hands here. Okay, put that in the bin now.
Wait.
Come on, hurry up. Come on now. Okay, come on. It's alright, come on. Ang seedless, no? Grapes. Come on, Baba. No more strawberries. Okay, we got one. We have to choose a good one.
One.
Yeah.
I can't. No.
Maybe this one here.
Huh?
This one.
No. I won't do it. I put.
Okay.
I put it.
Be careful.
It's my favorite. Mom,
Wait.
orange.
Yeah. Wait.
I need to put it.
Yeah, we're gonna get plastic first. You're right? Oh, that's enough. Help you? You can do it. This is ours, Baba. This is ours. Okay? Banana. Is it heavy? I help you. Okay. It's not heavy now? Okay. Ah, I have to fix daw to. Oh, madudurog nga naman. Okay. Now it's good to go. Good girl. Okay. What's next? Apple. Okay, come on. Nauna na siya sa akin. Yeah. Okay, here. No, here. Check first. You have to check.
I did.
You check it? Okay, is it good?
Yes.
Okay. Ayan yung paborito niya. What you gonna say? You're welcome.
That's it.
Where is it? Come on. Ta-da. Yeah, okay, come on. Come on. Ayan, kumuha ko ng prawns. Happy na siya kasi may fruit siya. Oh. And ito din. Ayan, kumuha ko nito ng marami para sa package. Ilalagay ko to sa package yung iba. Kasi magpa-package tayo. Balik ba yung package ba? Ah! Ayan, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dagan natin. Dalawa na. Kasi masarap tong Oreo na to, yung coated. Oops! So, bali 20 pieces siya. Wait, Baba! Ayan. 20 pieces. And sa isang box, sa isang ganito, mayroon siyang 6 na ganito ba, oh. Wait, Baba. Ayan, oh, 6 na ganito. Tapos 2 piraso yung laman nito, oh. I-package natin to and then pambaon sa mga bata din yung iba. Ano? Guys, the what? Moana. No, you already have Moana, Baba. That's not unicorn. No. I think that's an owl. I'm not sure what's this.
Owl.
No, squirrels.
It's my favorite.
That's not your favorite. Just get one. Just get one.
Kuya?
Okay, Kuya TJ and Kuya Sakden. Okay, hurry up.
Like this for Holly.
Oh, for Holly, purple for Holly. How about Kuya Sak? One more. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay.
And for Holly.
Okay, purple for Holly. What are you doing? Are you singing?
Lollipop.
That's not
Lollipop.
lollipop.
I got lollipop. This is mine. And
Very good. Gingerbread, Baba. Very good.
gingerbread.
Huh? No, we don't need gingerbread, Baba.
I need it.
No, this is not gingerbread, Baba.
Gingerbread.
This is not gingerbread. This is a plastic bag. A Ziploc.
No, that's a dog.
Ziploc yun, guys, na kinuha niya. Ibalik natin. Kasi hindi ko naman to kailangan. Meron pa ako sa bahay. Ayan, kumakanta-kanta siya. Jingle bell?
Jingle bell.
It's not Christmas yet.
Huh?
It's not Christmas yet.
Jingle bell.
I know, but it's not Christmas yet to sing that song. Okay, come on.
Tonight, Mom.
Nauna na sa akin yung batang to. What do we need?
It's not like this one.
No, we don't need Fruit Loops. We have to get Sultana brand.
Someday.
For Daddy, where is it? Sabi ni John, gusto niyan. No, that one, Baba, here. O, saan na yun? Eto.
I see Donovan.
Yeah, this one. Yung malaki nang kunin natin. Oops. Pini Holly. Oops. No, you don't put that in your bag. We have to pay first, Baba. No, we have to pay first. Later, when we pay, you can put that in your bag. Gusto niya nang ilagay sa bag yung lollipop. Okay, come on. Hoy, hintayin mo si Mami, Baba. Yogurt, okay, you have to wait. Pa tayo ng eggs. Nasaan na yung gusto kong eggs? Wala na dito yung maramihan ba niyan? Yung 18 pieces? Eto na lang siguro. I-check ko muna to. Good siya. Good. Eto ang good. Ayan. Ayun si Holly. Kumukuha na siya ng yogurt. May nilagay na siya dito. Nasaan na yun? Ayan. Meron na siyang linagay. Hoy! Ayun. Umaakit siya dun. Wait, Baba. You have to wait for me. Four. Oh. Hurry up. How many? Four. That's it. That's enough. No. Oh, just two of this one, then two blueberries. Another one. What? You need help? You alright? Okay, come on. Oh, don't forget your lollipop. Enough. Okay, that's enough. Okay, Mommy gonna get you a coat. Pa tayo ng dalawang Yakult. I only get one nappy. I got your nappy here. Yeah, this is when we go to Adelaide. Okay, come on. We're gonna get coffee. Daddy's coffee. Ayun na. You see Daddy's coffee? We have to get the big one. Patay ng coffee ni John.
It's not John, it's Daddy.
Ah, okay, it's Daddy. Tabang. Hindi raw John, Daddy. Okay. One more, please. No, this one, the brown one. You can't reach. Sorry. Okay. Okay, let's go. No, we're done. Bayad na kami, guys. Tapos na. Hoy! What are you doing? Yung vanilla custard. Gusto niya pala to. Kuha tayo nitong tatlo. And you want chocolate as well?
No, thanks.
No, thanks. So, eto na lang.
Yes.
Now, this one. You share with Kuya.
Chocolate. I want chocolate, Mommy.
You want
That's yours. Thanks,
You're welcome. Okay. Nakalimutan ko. Kuha pala ako ng potatoes. Yun ang wala ko dito. Come on. We're gonna get potatoes and then we're done. Where's your lollipop? Ayan, naiwan mo na naman yung lollipop mo. Come on. Hurry up. Pangalawang beses mo na yan naiwan dyan. Come on. Yung chips. Nasaan yung favorite ni Jan na chips? Okay, come on. We're gonna get potato now. Come on. Okay na. Cream cheese. Okay, let's go. Hindi pa natin nakukuha yung potato, Holly. Come on. Wala na akong onions. Kuha tayo ulit ng onions. Ha? Ay, binigay mo sa akin. Tapos kukunin mo na naman. Where? Okay, wait. Here. This way. That one. Put your hand. Okay? Come on, let's get potato. Here. This way, this way. Go straight. No, straight. Straight. No, here. Saan yung patatas?
Right here.
No, we don't need tomato. Potato, I said. Thank you, though. Tingin ko lang yung maliit. Kasi parang mayroon pa akong konti doon natira. So, ito kunin natin to. And, ayan. Bayad na tayo. Come on, Holly. We're gonna pay now. Come on. Come on. Yes, we have to pay for that one as well. Ayan, finally, nabayaran na yung lollipop. Ilalagay niya na sa bag. Yeah, okay. Put in a bag. Do you need help? Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh, carrots. Wow. Okay, come on. Hurry up. Parang nahihirapan ka. Akin na yan, Baba. Is it heavy? Baba. You alright? Okay. Bye, doggy naman siya doon. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I know you like it. Yeah, okay, let's go. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo dito sa coast. Then, punta naman tayo sa Baker's Delight. And, yung next after Baker's Delight, butcher. Si Holly, what are you eating?
Lollipop.
Kinakain niya na yung lollipop niya, guys. Outside is very what, Holly? Very cold ngayon, guys. As in, sobrang lamig. 13 degrees. Nagti-12 pa nga kanina. Oops, may lalabas. Wait lang. So, ayan na yung Baker's Delight, guys. Lili ko na ako dito. Oops, ang sun. Oops. Perfect yung parking. Oops. Ayan, bili muna kami ng tinapay. Bili na tayo ng tinapay sa Baker's Delight. Ayan siya. And, may binili akong eto, nakuha ko siyang free. Ayan. Kasi, ayan, pag nakalima ka ng stamps, ayan, pag nakalima ka, ayan, pwede ka na mag-claim ng free. Ayan, eto nga, wala pa pala itong laman. Eto, lahat to free, oh. Hindi ko pa siya na ki-claim. Pero yung ginamit ko kanina is eto. Ayan. Ayan, may stamp na ako, oh. So, na-claim ko siya for free. Eto. Yes, baby. So, usually, I think eto $7 or $6. I'm not sure. Pero, ayan. You finish. Okay, akin na. Okay. Bumili ako ng apple crumble. Ayan. Siya, $3.50. Dalawa yung binili ko. Ayan. Ipatry ko lang kayo dyan kung tingnan natin kung alin yung mas masarap. Yung akin na gawa or etong sa Baker's Delight. Joke lang. Basta ayan, patikim ko to kayo dyan. Kasi mahilig si Jen sa sweet. So ngayon, drive naman tayo papuntang butcher. Kuha tayo ng meat. Okay? Mamaya na lang ulit. Okay, Baba. Ang disadvantage sa malaking car, yung yung pag ganito, pag aalis ka sa parking, may mga sasakyan sa kabila, yung may parking ba sa likod din. Yun na yun, nakikita ko yung isang car. Wait, Baba. Sabihin ng isa, ano bang ginagawa nitong babae?
What's that cool?
Is that school? Ayan, okay na tayo. We're good. Thank you. Maraming nagsha-shopping na yun. And last stop, kuha tayo ng steak. Ano pa ba? Sausage roll. Ay, sausage roll. Sausage. Oh, shit natin. Mainit yung ano. Kasalubong yung san sa atin. Binila ko ng steak ni Jan, tsaka iba pang mga like sausages or burger. Yes. Okay, I will look for it. Baba, wait. So, let's say bye-bye now for now.
Bye-bye, Mom.
So, yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin ulit. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Bye! Say bye!
Bye. See you next vlog.
Say be!
Be good.
Be good. Okay, put your seatbelt, Baba, please. Girl, okay, say bye now.
Bye, guys.
Bye!
Bye.
Ano na?
Good.
Mag-aalas 4 na. Magluluto pa ako ng may request si Jan. Gusto niya yung ano ba yun? Minced beef na mayroong ano ba yun? Yung minced beef na mayroong carrots, potato, and peas. Yun ang gusto niya. Tapos mashed potatoes. So yun guys. Thank you. Bye! Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung niluluto ko. Ito yung giniling na mayroong carrots, peas, and potato. Ayan yung ulam namin. And ito yung mashed potato. Ayan, late na yung dinner nila. 7 o'clock na. Usually, ang dinner is 6 o'clock. Ayan na yung pagkain nila. I know it's hot, Papa. Ayan kay John, kay Kuya, kay Holly, and then Zachary. And ayan yung sila. Manners. Okay. So, yan. Kaya na sila. Naghihintay na sila. Oh.
Jenny,
Jenny,
Alagon,
Aladong,
Milcha,
Milcha,
Makalay,
Makawai,
Edmar,
Edmark,
Piid,
we eat,
Tuga,
Koga,
Himiko,
Umiko,
Banha,
and Hat,
Charlotte,
Shala,
Rialon.
Tennis. Bye! Bye-bye!
Kagabi. So, ito lang. Hindi ko siya mahanap. Ito yung chocolate. Pumunta rin sa Aden. Parang malaki talaga siya. So, sabi